Thank you, thank you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Digital Health Days 2016. My name is Donny Ligones.
And my name is Dina Titkova.
Thank you. And we're thrilled to be back here for the third year in a row. Fourth year for DHD, but it's my third year in a row.
Fourth year for me.
Fourth year for you. My name is Donny. Usually I work at the Royal Institute of Technology, KTH, here in Stockholm as a technology transfer manager, where I help students and researchers commercialize what they think is going to be the next great thing. And we see a lot of medtech coming through our doors. But I just came back from the US as well. I've spent a year in Palo Alto setting up the Swedish startup system in the Nordic Innovation House, which is a Nordic collaboration space in Palo Alto. And they're actually just gearing up now for the big Health 2.0 conference that starts on Sunday in San Francisco. So we've got a little thing going on tomorrow afternoon. When we finish here at 5, they're starting up in Palo Alto at 8 with a breakfast thing. So we're going to try and get a video link thing going and pass the baton from us to them tomorrow afternoon. So stay around here for the ending tomorrow to say hi to Silicon Valley and California as well, and help the Swedes over there in the Nordics get going. Very shortly just for this year's conference, DHD16. We were talking yesterday about, okay, where were we last year when we got off stage, and what do we think this conference this year is going to be all about? And last year we were talking a lot about convergence, everything coming together, and the clinical healthcare side, meeting the tech-driven, consumer-driven side, and meeting in some kind of a great handshake and saying, let's do this together. But actually, this year we felt, no, it hasn't converged. It's actually diverged even more, and it's the tech-driven, consumer-driven side is just exploding exponentially, and it's both tracks are developing, but the outside track is going so much faster, and patients are coming in today. What we said last year they will be coming in, but they are coming in today with so much more data on their hands, or in their hands, or in their phones, or in their watches, or wherever they have it, and they're expecting people to take care of this, and that's something I think that we need to sort of really address this year. So, and we've seen lots of good examples. We've seen some not so good examples. We had the 23andMe thing in the US last year. But I mean, that's all, baby steps into what is coming, right? So I want us, all of us, to help co-create this year's conference in something about asking questions, asking the relevant questions, asking maybe some of the difficult questions. We have an octagon cage over there that Dina's going to present, where we're going to use it for some difficult questions as well. But help us co-create this conference and to ask some questions and together create the future healthcare that we all want to be a part of and experience. So that's my hopes for this year, and I'm looking forward to that. And I like this conference because it has changed over the years, and there's so many cool things happening, especially on the networking side. And I know that you have a special story regarding the conference as well, haven't you?
And I would like to welcome you to the conference where everything is possible. Outside of this stage, I'm a part of exciting startup by Think Technology, which I joined through this conference as a part of networking. Even more than this, I joined this conference as Bi-Entrepreneurship Master Program representative and made my way to the main stage. And not only, I made great friends, I found partners, I learned, I got inspired, and I even sat next table to the Swedish Prince Daniel. Everything is possible here, just do as much as you can. With this, I would like to introduce our fantastic colleagues over there. It's a commentator's cabin. And they will make it possible for you to see all the presentation from all the angles possible. Please, the word is yours.
Hi, guys. Thanks for the introduction. My name is Elizabeth Nelson. I'm going to be representing the academic side of things, and we also want to have your voice heard. We're going to be doing interviews during the fika break. And then Bastian I'll let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you for having me here again. I'm Bastian, and I will be representing the engaged patient. Also, I'm going to be responsible for the conversation going on Twitter. We are online using the hashtag DHD16. So if you have any burning questions that you want us to ask any of the presenters, mention us on Twitter, and I can already see the questions coming in, and we haven't even started yet. So it's going to be an exciting day.
Definitely. We're so excited about the first speakers as well.
Yeah.
Uh,
I'm looking forward to Robin and Lucien. They have very interesting and very hot topics that are going on right now. So
They're both quite rebellious, which I think is exactly how we need to start off this conference, some game changers, so we're really excited.
exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Elizabeth.
Our favorite good cop, bad cop, bad cop, good cop over there. Excellent.
Apart from that, please pay attention that there is a company booth over there, just left to the entrance. Take your opportunity to talk, network, learn, and get inspired. And we will have some networking opportunities during fika breaks and lunch that will be served here in networking area. So take your chance as well.
Yes, and even though they are called fika breaks, there will always be something happening here. We'll have people in the cage, interviews going on, and there will always be also a live feed. If you have friends and family and people out there who could not attend today, please contact them and let them know that the hashtag is DHD16, and there is a live feed on the site all day from the conference, so they can watch us and you and everything going on here as well. So invite the world. And hello world, by the way. Hi, Mom. I know you're watching. So, having that said, let's kick this off, shall we? I mean, you didn't come here only to hear me and Dina talk, even though we... So I would like to introduce, as the cage said, I would like to introduce our first speaker. So, Robin, in the bio, described as an engaged patient, entrepreneur, founder, professional speaker, and best-selling author of the book, The Patient as CEO, How Technology Empowers the Healthcare Consumer. But I would like to introduce Robin by reading one of the reviews of her book, because I like this. So here's the review. Dazzling visionary Robin guides us on a fascinating journey to the future of medicine. One where patients will be increasingly empowered and responsible for their own well-being via an amazing array of medical technologies. Some of these advanced devices have already emerged, while even more sophisticated and powerful ones are yet to come. Robin shines her incisive and brilliant beacon, one that can only be forged from deep personal experience, on exciting trajectories in medicine that are nothing short of breathtaking. Don't miss this captivating read. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss this captivating speaker. Robin, the stage is yours.